Ever wonder how your favorite skin brightening creams are made? Behind every bottle is a story, one that begins with a living fungus and ends with a powerful, active ingredient, kojic acid. In this video, we'll take you through the entire industrial process, step by step, lab to large-scale production. Kojic acid is an organic compound produced by fungi like Aspergillus oryzae. It's a natural byproduct of fermentation, most famous for its role in inhibiting melanin production. In cosmetics, it's used to treat hyperpigmentation, sunspots, and uneven skin tone. But before it becomes a cosmetic ingredient, it must go through an intense biotechnological journey. The process starts in a microbiology lab. Here, pure strains of Aspergillus oryzae are grown on potato, dextrose agar, a nutrient-rich medium. After 3 to 5 days, healthy fungal colonies are harvested and transferred into seed culture flasks containing glucose, peptone, and yeast extract. These become the starter cultures for industrial fermentation. The inoculum is scaled up into large fermenters, stainless steel bioreactors, equipped to control temperature, pH, and oxygen. Kojic acid is produced extracellularly, meaning the fungi secrete it directly into the liquid broth. The fermentation lasts 5 to 7 days, under aerobic conditions at around 30 degrees Celsius. After fermentation, the broth contains both fungal cells and kojic acid. It's now pumped into a separation system using centrifugation or membrane filtration. The biomass is removed and a clear, kojic acid-rich solution is collected for further processing. Next, the solution is concentrated through vacuum evaporation. Then, the pH is adjusted and the liquid is chilled to just a few degrees Celsius. Over several hours, kojic acid crystallizes out of the solution as white, needle-like crystals. Sometimes, solvents like ethyl acetate are used to increase purity before precipitation. The crystals are filtered and washed to remove impurities. They're then dried either in vacuum ovens at low heat or via spray drying in high-throughput plants. This step is critical to reduce moisture content and prevent microbial contamination. Milling and powder processing. Once dry, the kojic acid is milled into a fine, uniform powder. It's passed through sieves to standardize particle size essential for consistent mixing in cosmetic products. Quality control, purity, and safety are non-negotiable. Each batch is tested using high-performance liquid chromatography and FTIR spectroscopy to confirm identity and purity, usually over 99%. Microbial limits, heavy metal traces, and solvent residues are also checked before approval. Approved powder is packed into airtight, food-grade drums, often flushed with nitrogen to prevent oxidation. The drums are labeled with batch codes and certificates of analysis, then stored in temperature-controlled warehouses for global distribution. Formulators now use this purified kojic acid in creams, lotions, soaps, and serums. Typical concentrations range from 1 to 2%. It's often blended with ingredients like niacinamide or licorice extract for even greater skin tone correction. From a living fungus to high-purity active powder, the journey of kojic acid is a perfect blend of microbiology, chemistry, and cosmetic science. It's a story of transformation, of turning natural fermentation into functional skincare. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more behind-the-scenes journeys in cosmetic science.